The pancreas is an organ about 6 to 8 inches long, located in the abdomen area of the body that secretes several hormones including insulin and glucagon. Insulin helps body cells to take up the glucose present in the blood. By doing so, it decreases blood glucose levels. Glucose reaches blood from our daily diet. Our cells in the body will take up this glucose from the blood for energy with the help of insulin enzyme. Absence of insulin will disable cells to pick up the glucose from the bloodstream. If that happens, the cells in the body will run out of energy, which will cause severe damage to main organs like brain, heart, etc., which might cause coma and death. In the other hand, glucagon released from pancreas will involve in the process with the liver to release stored glucose to the bloodstream. By doing so, the blood glucose levels are increased. When blood glucose levels are high, insulin is released from pancreas to regulate it, and when blood glucose levels are low, glucagon is released from pancreas to regulate it. So in this way, pancreas plays a crucial role in maintaining blood glucose levels in the body. The problem in the secretion of these two hormones from pancreas will lead to diabetes. Type 1 diabetes occurs as a result of less secretion of insulin by pancreas, and so people with type 1 diabetes are recommended to take the insulin shots to manage the body requirement to pick up the glucose for energy from the blood. To understand the purpose of artificial pancreas present in the market, it is very important to understand the drawbacks of the regular insulin shot method. Average type 1 diabetes patient will take 2 insulin shots daily to maintain body blood glucose levels. Before taking the shots, it is recommended to calculate the blood glucose levels in the body to prevent any errors in the dose of insulin. So basically, the patient needs to prick himself 4 times a day to check blood glucose level and to inject insulin. It is too painful to carry this process every day. It's adventurous for patient to perform self-injection of insulin every day. This self-administration will lead to lot of errors in the injection process. Apart from these, few other problems like comfort of the patient, storage of insulin, etc. are also noticed in this traditional type of insulin injection. To overcome this problem, 2 solutions are made. One is insulin pills. These insulin pills are designed and research is going on it. Check my video to know more about it. And another solution is artificial pancreas. The artificial pancreas device system is a system of devices that closely mimic the glucose regulating function of a healthy pancreas. There are 3 main artificial pancreas systems being worked on by researchers. Number 1, closed loop artificial pancreas. Number 2, bionic pancreas. And number 3, implanted artificial pancreas. First of all, number 1, closed loop artificial pancreas. It is an externally worn artificial pancreas. It consists of 2 types of devices which mimic the function of pancreas. Number 1, continuous glucose monitor. It is a FDA approved device which monitors blood glucose levels in the body with the help of sensor present in it. It is a patchy-like device placed under the skin in arm or abdomen. It monitors blood glucose levels in the body, and data will be directly sent into the user's smartphones as often as every few minutes. With the help of this device, patient can avoid traditional method of pricking their fingers to check blood glucose levels. This sensor is patient friendly and can be used for up to 14 days. Second device in closed loop artificial pancreas is insulin pump, which consists insulin. A computer controlled algorithm connects the continuous glucose monitors device and insulin infusion pump to allow continuous communication between the two devices. In a simple way, continuous glucose monitor device analyze blood glucose levels in the body with the help of sensor, and the data will be shared to insulin pump. Based on the glucose levels in the body, the pump will calculate the dose of insulin to deliver it into the body. This device completely eliminates the traditional insulin injection process, and it is more comfortable to a patient. FDA approved this device recently, and it will cost around $5,000 to $8,000. Number 2. Bionic pancreas. This bionic pancreas was developed by Drs. Eduardo Damiano Beta Bionics firm. This bionic pancreas is capable of automatically controlling blood glucose levels in the body. The system is similar to closed-loop artificial pancreas, but it consists of two pumps in it which delivers insulin and glucagon respectively. Closed-loop artificial pancreas got only one insulin pump, but this bionic pancreas got two pumps to mimic the actual function of pancreas organ. That's why it is called as bionic pancreas. This device will connect to smartphone via Bluetooth to calculate the doses of insulin and glucagon. This device will monitor our blood glucose levels to release insulin and glucagon respectively based on the variation in blood glucose levels. If blood glucose levels are high, then it will release insulin, and if it is low, then it will release glucagon into the body. This device is known as iLet Bionic Pancreas, and it got approval from FDA in 2019. Last but not least, implanted artificial pancreas. It is not available in the market yet, but the development of implantable artificial pancreas is in research stage. It is being developed by researchers from De Montfort University. It features a gel that interacts with the change in the blood glucose levels of the body. This gel enables the release of insulin if glucose levels elevated, and reduces the insulin dose if glucose levels are low. And the insulin should be refilled on regular basis. Since it is implanted into the body, the research is taking place in a very careful way. That's it guys in this video. These artificial pancreas devices provides lot of comfort to the users, but with the advantages, it also got its own disadvantages like maintenance, cost and acceptability by patient. So I recommend consulting your doctor with queries about considering any medical devices. I hope you guys liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys in the next video. This is your Vignesh.